Hello, my name's Sue Grant and we're here in Genoa today taking a look at LIARA. Dixon 65, she was built at Southern Ocean Marine in 2002 and was fully refitted by these owners to prepare her for a trip around the globe, which sadly has been shelved. She's got full new paint, it's in Matterhorn white. Looks absolutely incredible. Superstructure and hull. And her spar is from Southern Spars with carbon spreaders. She's got in-boom furling and north sails. Here she is in her natural environment with this lovely twin steering position, 2 carbon wheels you just saw there. We're just going to get on board via the passerelle, which is a multiplex. It's a carbon gangway, and past her new Simpson davits, which are very smart. And you see how easy it is to access into the cockpit. Decks are fully recorked, looking fabulous. Big cockpit table, loads of places to sit, and of course the table is fully refrigerated. And now we're going to take a look downstairs. So here she is. The interior is all Nomex core, it's all done for lightness. The thing about LIARA is that she is ferociously quick. It's in high gloss mahogany. All of the inlays are in white oak and ebony. And these owners put in these wonderful mahogany floorboards, which do look amazing. Again, all Nomex cord, so light as a feather. Large main saloon with chart area, lovely seating and dining, and great big galley. And up above you see the saloon windows covered by her ocean air blinds against a very hot and sticky day. And now we're going to look at the forward accommodation first. And this is the guest accommodation. We're just going into an upper and lower berth cabin. It's all in fabulous condition. Lots of storage, really comfortable place. These 2 cabins share a very large heads compartment with separated shower stall. So we can have a look at that. All of the worktops throughout are in Corian, and you see that white detailing around the basin, which is very cool. Electric loo in here, nice big shower. And this is Jack and Jill, so we go through into a large double berth cabin. Big wardrobe. I love the use of the white and the rich mahogany. Works very, very well. It's timeless. And there are these 2 cabins and this lovely, lovely heads compartment. Back into the main saloon. Past the galley seating area and then into the day head, which is also the skipper's head. There's ability to shower in here but no separated stall. There's a manual heads, which is very useful to have on long passages. And if we have a look here, here is the washer dryer, absolutely essential equipment for blue water. Then we will be walking aft to the owner's cabin in a little while, which is very spacious and very beautiful. It's got its own heads compartment, lots of storage. So out of here and into the skipper's cabin, or a third guest cabin if you prefer. LIARA is set up for 2 people to sail around the world, so these owners use this as a storage area and jolly useful it is too, but it's also a very comfortable light and bright cabin. We're just walking past the engine space. She's got a Yanmar 190 turbo, and there's also a Northern Lights generator in there and the other services. So now we're going to have a bit closer look at the aft cabin. Do you see she's got sofas port and starboard, huge berth, but also masses and masses of storage under the bed to port and starboard, and she is light and airy with a stepped deck head giving her lots of headroom, and this mirror just enhances the sense of space in this area. It really is more than just a sleeping cabin. You see the new flooring working really well. And then we go into the heads compartment, which is quite lovely. The same detailing around the basin. LIARA Dixon 65, epic, fast, world cruising yacht.